Here we go with a full restore, all completely taken apart, all the nuts and bolts clean. This restore is for Robert. It's a 1959 18 horsepower Evinrude, restore number 103. Completely, immaculately cleaned, painted, carburetor restored, ignition magneto restored, starter rope, new handle, power head tested, cleaned, gear case, pressure tested, seals changed, impeller changed, prop, cowling, housing, stern bracket, decals ready to apply. One thing I haven't done is cleaned and painted the hood, but we're ready for assembly. Woohoo! Remember, here at T Mike's, we're doing it one motor at a time. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Here at T Mike's Vintage Outboards, we're doing it one motor at a time. Please click on subscribe. I guarantee to provide weekly videos. Au revoir mes amis, and laissez les bon temps rouler.